think she's gone.
Good evening. This is Pierre Du Bois. I am recording live. This is from Blue Lacuna here in Chicago. This is the first YouTube live video, and I'm actually going to be playing around with some of the live videos here for the next few days or so. This is from actually a live stream from YouTube. Reason I'm doing this today is I am actually covering a couple of articles that have been released. Let's see if I can change the camera so you can see this. I have this set. Okay. Ah, perfect. Okay. So a couple articles that just came out today. This is one of three. Allanalytics.com is one of the sites that I write for, and this one talks about clustering. Knowing which birds flock together. Clustering is a data analytics technique which basically allows you to bring data in and through an algorithm try to determine how that data should be grouped together according to parameters. So a good example would be taking a look at automobiles, trying to cluster based on engine size, pricing, and maybe styling, and then using that metadata to figure out what sort of cluster should come out of that data. This is a technique that's been used quite a bit and it's gaining popularity because the increased popularity with R and Python. Those are two programming languages that have become very popular with data mining, with regression, and with clustering. So there's a number of ways you can do it with Python, and there's a number of libraries available in R that allows you to go ahead and do an analysis. Now, another article, let's see if we can get this one up here real quick. This is for CMS Wire. So we can get this up very quickly. And let's go, let's see, latest. Geo-tagging. This is sort of related to the first, but in a different way. Geo-tagging is a new technique. It's relatively new. We've had images on our smartphones for quite a bit of time, but what a lot of people don't realize is that you can actually geotag images, not only through your smartphone, but also add the metadata to images and load them up on a website. What's the end advantage of this? Well, for starters, you can use that, you can turn around and use that geotagging to kind of figure out where activity is going on pretty much in different parts of the country or different parts of the world. A lot of geotagging is based on longitude, latitude, and this is a very relatively new experience for marketers. And it's also new very much from the data analytics. We've never had access to sources of longitude, latitude data until very recently. Google Maps should be the first thing that comes to mind. This is a pretty good article. You may want to check this out. This is on CMS Wire. And then the third article, let's see if we can get this up for you, comes courtesy of DM News. And this one talks about machine learning and about how machine learning can build brand value. This article that I wrote basically examines how Google and Microsoft and a couple other companies are being seen valuable with technology because of the alliances they've made with machine learning and coming up with those enhancements, not only for offering them through cloud services as an open source for developers to use, but also for some of their services. For example, Google has used it for AdWords, YouTube, Google Home. Microsoft, who's very quietly has made some advances, has started to use machine learning for the Azure, and then also for a number of it's made a number of forays into R programming, which is used quite a bit for machine learning. So these are three articles that went up live today. Let's turn the camera back around. Okay, you can see me. Hello. On top of that, I just recorded a podcast that will go live. That'll be November 20th. We'll have the podcast live at that time. So I'll share the link relatively soon. And then for those of you who are in the Chicago area, you may want to check out Google Get Your Business Online. This is a series of workshops that I'll be providing at the stage over in Gary, Indiana. The first workshop will be November 4th at, I believe, 11 o'clock as well. I'll see if I can get the links for you. A second workshop will be November 9th. And then the third will be on December 9th of this year, with more to come. So that's it. That's a summary of what's going down. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.